गोव्याचे भवितव्य उदकाच्या दृश्टीन खूपच वायट आसा. अशा वेळार सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी एकठांय जावची गरज आसा. सगळ्या राजकीय पक्षांनी मतभेद विसरपाची गरज आसा. परंतु गोंयचो सत्ताधारी पक्ष मात्र फक्त राजकारण नदरेन दवरून म्हादयचें कितेंय जावं, आमच्या वॉटरफॉलचें कितेंय जावं, आपल्या राजकारणान व्यस्त आसा. अशा वेळार काँग्रेस पक्षा कडेन एकच पर्याय उरता की हे सरकार सत्तेर ह्यान फुडें आनीक उरोवंक जायना. तें डळमळीत जाल्लें आसाच. तें सरकार पोखरलांच भितरल्यान जो टनेल कर्नाटकान काडला त्या परस डीप टनेल is visible within the ruling setup. Yet we demand that Parrikar resigns and makes way for a more responsible setup to deal with the future of Goa and in particular Mhadei and the related issues. We wait for the proper response from the government. Till then, however, losing time will be detrimental to our interest. Congress supports the action taken by Mhadei Bachao Abhiyan, the petition which they have filed in the Supreme Court or the contempt petition which they intend to file. Party will support them, and if need be, the party will even file fresh petitions. We appeal to all Goans to gather under the banner of the Congress party, at least to oppose and to express our total dissent towards what BJP did in Goa or their counterparts in Karnataka are trying to do. And we express our total unhappiness at the manner in which Mr. Parrikar succumbed to the pressures of his party bosses and sent that letter to Mr. Parrikar. That letter has worsened the situation. We condemn Karnataka action. We condemn the attitude of the present Chief Minister, and we appeal to all Goans to stand united in this hour of crisis.
We are taking a CLP. We will take the extreme possibilities we cannot be ruled out from our side. Our stand of the Congress party has remained the same. Right from the beginning till inception, so much of work has been carried out. कितली काम जाला, environment clearance नासतना, नाईंतोरी forest clearance घे नासतना, इतली काम चालू जाला आनी आमगे गव्हर्नमेंट न्हिदलो आहा. मनोहर पर्रीकर इतलो हुशार चीफ मिनिस्टर म्हणटा, ताणें आन्सर करचें.